Hi, I'm Angela, a medical surgical telemetry nurse, and these days, someone living with a triple negative breast cancer diagnosis myself. One of the questions I get asked the most, and honestly, one I asked myself, is what am I even supposed to eat through all of this? Treatment can wreck your appetite, mess with your sense of taste, and make some foods riskier than usual. In this one, I want to walk through eating well through nausea and appetite changes, food safety while your immune system is down, and separating the nutrition myths from what the actual evidence says.
Let's start with appetite and nausea, because for many people, this hits before anything else does. Instead of 3 big meals, try 5 or 6 small ones every 2 or 3 hours. Eat within an hour of waking up, and put the highest protein food on your plate first, while your appetite is strongest. If nothing sounds good, go for what smells good, and don't be afraid to eat the same easy thing on repeat. Sip fluids between meals rather than with them, so you're not filling up on liquid before you've eaten. Smoothies, soups, and nutrition drinks like Ensure or Boost count as real food when solids aren't appealing. And here's the part worth remembering as a nurse. You don't have to make up for a bad eating day immediately. If treatment knocks you out for 2 or 3 days, you can rebuild those calories in the days that follow.
Next, food safety. This one matters more during chemo because your white blood cell count can drop, which means your body has a harder time fighting off the germs that a healthy immune system would shrug off. The basics: wash your hands and produce well, cook meat, poultry, and eggs all the way through, no runny yolks, no medium rare, and only drink pasteurized milk, juice, and honey. Skip the higher risk stuff for now. Raw or undercooked fish and sushi, deli meats and salad bars, soft cheeses like brie or blue cheese, and anything from a buffet, self-serve bin, or unrefrigerated pastry case. It can feel like a lot of rules, but it's really just one idea. If it's raw, unpasteurized, or sitting out, save it for after your counts recover. Your care team can tell you exactly when your numbers make it safe to loosen back up.
Now let's talk about the myths, because the internet has a lot of opinions about cancer and food. The big one: does sugar feed cancer? According to the National Cancer Institute, no study has shown that eating sugar makes cancer worse, or that cutting it out makes a tumor shrink. Every cell in your body runs on glucose, not just cancer cells. What is true is that a high sugar diet can contribute to weight gain, and extra weight is linked to higher cancer risk, so it's worth moderating. Just not out of fear that a cookie is fueling your tumor. Same goes for extreme, restrictive, or starve the cancer diets. They don't outsmart cancer cells, but they can absolutely land you in malnutrition when your body needs strength for treatment. And be cautious with herbal supplements. Some can actually interfere with how your chemo or radiation works. When in doubt, run it by your oncology team before you run it through your blender.
Nutrition during treatment isn't about eating perfectly. It's about eating enough, eating safely, and not beating yourself up on the days that just don't go well. Your oncology dietitian, if you have access to one, is a genuinely underused resource, so ask your care team about it. Sources and more resources are linked below and on my site. Take care of yourself out there. I'll see you in the next one.